कहाँ पे है रे?
माल कहाँ पे? हाँ?
पणजे
पुंजी हाँ?
तुम्हारी दुकान पे?
गाडी व्यापार काबार झाले
हाँ?
व्यापार काबार झाले
हाँ काबार झाला विकलो तुवे
टोटल माल केन्ना येलो माल तुवें
एडजेक्ट पणजे खंय हा?
हां
बस स्टँडार
बस स्टँडार तू सकाळी हांगा 5 घेवन गेलो
हय येवं ना तोच घालून धाडला
कोण कोण
तो पात्रांव
नाव कितें
नूर
तुझो भाव तो?
हय.
तुजें नाव कितें?
मकबूल
हाँ? मकबूल.
तेणेच माल घेलो माल तेणे येलो
हय सकाळी ताणेच घालून धाडलं हय
ओके आतां माल खंय
काबार झाले दिले सगळ्यांक
ऐकलं ते?
आयज तुमकां खबर आसतलें की FDAचो आयज मोठी धाड आयजूय जाल्ली आसा. फाटले काही दीस जाले म्हापसान FDA आमचे मार्केट यार्डान येवन थोडे सॅम्पल्स घेवन वयता. खुबशे एक दोन तीन फावटी सॅम्पल्स पॉझिटीव मेळ्ळे आहा, जितून एथेनॉल मेळ्ळें आहा. आयज एक असो इन्सिडंट जालो जे एक नूर मोहम्मद म्हणून ट्रेडर जेचो काल माल सील केल्लो, ऑलमोस्ट एक 1.5 टन माल सील केल्लो आनी ताका FDAन सांगलेलें की माल तो विकू नाका, सेल करूं नाका म्हणून आनी हांगासरूच दवर म्हणून गोडावनान आनी गोडावनाक लॉकूय मारलेले. पण ते नूर मोहम्मद म्हणटा ट्रेडरान ते लॉक तोडले आनी माल तितूलो काडलो आनी तो पणजे धाडलो. पणजे तेजो भावाचो शॉप आसा थंयसर तेणें धाडलो. एक म्हणजे सरप्रायझींग म्हणजे फर्स्ट टायम अशें जाल्लें आसा. म्हणजे हेजे पयलीं FDAनी माल सील केल्ले आसा, पण खंयच्याच आमच्या ट्रेडरान FDAच्या अगेन्स्ट वचून नासा, तर तेजे बरोबर कॉपरेट केल्लें आसा. खंय तरी चूक जाता मान्य सुद्दां केल्लें आमच्या ट्रेडरान आनी ऑलमोस्ट म्हाका दिसता 99% सगळे कडेन स्टॉप जाल्ले आसा. ह्यो एकूच असो ट्रेडर आसलो की जेणे माल थंयसरलो म्हणजे FDAच्या अगेन्स्ट वचून थंयसरलो सील तोडून म्हणजे इट्स अ क्रिमिनल ऑफेन्स असो म्हणूं शकता की आपलीच गाडी हाडून तेंच्याच रिलेटिवाची गाडी हाडून हांगासरलो माल व्हेलो आनी आतां फुडली कारवाई FDA करता ती.
And 275 of the new act, that is the Bharatiya Nyay Act, which is there, and there are other relevant provisions which the police will also explore. Similarly, under the Food Safety and Standards Act also we will issue under section 31 a notice will be issued to him for operating without the license category that is required for him. And once the report is out also, we will carry out a further investigation. Mainly we will see that we restrain such vendors from engaging into food business. So yesterday post our surveillance drive where we had detained one doubtful lot of bananas with Mr. Noor Ahmed, and we had asked him not to dispose the stock because it was believed that there was a use of chemical in ripening, and the sample was sent for analysis. But in the morning we received the input that he in the early morning has disposed this stock, and when we came and we verified the stock was disposed by Mr. Noor. We have brought him to the site and he failed to cooperate with us, but with the help of the nearby vendors, by verifying their CCTVs, we found the vehicle by which the stock was sent, and the stock was traced, which was sent to his brother in Panjim, and from Panjim some of it was distributed in the market. Around 60% of the stock we were able to recover, which was destroyed. Now since he has gone against our directives, we have filed an FIR with the Mapsa police asking to take action on him for violating with this stock and for disposing stock that is doubtful, that could be laced with chemicals, and putting the life of public to risk. So we have quoted those sections and we have requested the Mapsa police to act. Similarly, we will be also writing to the Mapsa yard, and we've already spoken to the owner of the shop and we've asked him to remove this guy, to terminate his contract from that shop, and strict action will be taken on such vendors for playing with the life of public. And we also want to pass a very strong message to all the other vendors who do such things that are harmful for health. We will be taking strict action, which what we have done in the past will be continued. फुडले कितें कारवाई आसा ते the PI is being very cooperative and he said that he will take action.
दोघांची नांवां कितें नांवां
मेनली जो फूड बिझनेस ऑपरेटर आसा ताचें नांव जी आमी कंप्लेन फायल केला तो नूर अहमद येल्लापुतीन म्हणून, आनी ताचो भाव जो आसा ताणें स्टॉक रिसीव केला तो मकबूल. सो हे दोन तांची नांवां हातून आमी मेन्शन केल्या आमच्या कंप्लेनीन. क्या ये क्या मतलब काम करने की गलती है